Do you know what happens when you mix Coca-Cola with lemon? The results is so incredible that it will leave you completely speechless. If you've got a pot that looks like it's seen better days, we're talking burnt-on grease, mineral stains, or just that dull, lived-in look, stop before you throw it away. Today, I'm showing you my favorite DIY power wash recipe. You've probably seen these ingredients in your kitchen, but when you combine them, they create a chemical reaction that cuts through grime better than most store-bought sprays. We're using the phosphoric acid in the Coca-Cola, the citric acid in the lemon, and the lifting power of baking soda. Let's get mixing. First, grab a measuring pitcher. We're starting with one small bottle of Coca-Cola. You'll see that fizz start immediately. That's exactly what we want. Next, take half a fresh lemon and squeeze every bit of juice in there. The acidity here is key for breaking down those stubborn burnt spots. Now, here is the magic moment. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It's going to foam up quite a bit as it reacts with the acids, so just give it a second to settle. Once it calms down, we're going to add our binder. 3 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. This gives the mixture that cling factor, so it stays on the surface of the pan while you work. Give it a gentle stir until it's a smooth, dark cleaning concentrate. Now grab your favorite cleaning spray bottle. Carefully pour that mixture in. I love using a clear bottle so you can see when it's time to give it a little shake before use. Head over to the sink and grab that dull pan. Give it a generous spray, don't be shy. You want to coat the entire surface. If your stains are really deep, let this sit for about 5 minutes to let the acids do the heavy lifting for you. You'll actually start to see the grime loosening up before you even touch it with a sponge. Now for the satisfying part. Grab your scrubby sponge and start working in circular motions. You'll notice the foam turns a bit gray or brown. That's the old grease and oxidation lifting right off the metal. The baking soda acts as a mild abrasive here, scrubbing without scratching. Rinse it under warm water and it stays effective for weeks. Just remember to give it a quick swirl before you use it next time to get those ingredients reactivated. It's a total game changer for deep cleaning days when you don't want to deal with harsh chemical fumes. Look at that shine. From a stained, dull pot to a mirror finish in just a few minutes. This stuff works wonders on stainless steel, aluminum, and even the bottom of your pans. If you like this hack, make sure to save the recipe. Your kitchen will thank you. Seriously, look at the difference. We went from a pan that looked ready for the trash to something that looks brand new, and it cost us pennies to make. No more endless scrubbing or sore arms. Just let the chemistry do the work for you. If you try this at home, tag me in your before and after shots. I love seeing these transformations. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and follow for more easy, everyday cleaning hacks that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cleaning!